Well, good morning, everybody. Grandpa Shoots here on Take a Look Around, and see that it is, in fact, a beautiful Georgia morning, which means it's a great time to shoot. This is part 4 of the series involving the Smith Wesson Model 19 Combat Magnum that was stuck in the middle of the barrel, which I had removed. And this is the first time I've shot this gun since then. We're going to shoot for accuracy, and we're going to shoot at that target right there from about 15 yards. So if you'll stand by, I'll get in place and we'll shoot this shoot and see target and see how I do. Stand by. All right, we're in place. Single action only. Wow. There's 5. No, wait. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a pretty good group. I wish this didn't have this one down here, but and I guess you consider those two a flyer, but not bad. The gun still shoots very accurately, and as usual, it's a lot of fun. I believe I've said before on camera, I've had this gun since I was 19. It's the first gun I bought for myself, and it has a lot of sentimental value, but it really shoots well. I tell you what, I'm going to shoot a separate video in a minute doing the same drill with the Colt Python. So we'll see how those two compare. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe.